back, guys. It's DNC, and today we're going to the Good Guys Car Show. We're headed out there. We're going to meet up with Xavier the X-Man. He's going to be doing some mixing, and he's going to be hosting part of the show. So we're going to be doing that. So we're going to meet up with him, and we're going to go check out all the cool rides.
Did you already get this scan? We are recording now. Yeah, love it.
Where's Didi?
I have her at the house. Joe's here. We got Asia. We got Javier. And we're gonna be cruising. We're gonna be cruising down the Good Guys Boulevard down here in Del Mar, and we're taking you guys with us.
I don't think I've ever been in one of these before. Ever in my life.
First timer, she's never been a lowrider.
Yes.
Where have you been?
At 42, my first time.
Uh oh, first time in a lowrider. Okay. In the garage.
Crazy.
Look at that.
Woo! Hit the switches for it. Look at.
Gotta hit the switch for the kids.
Oh, yeah.
But look what I got back here. Oh my God! What the heck is going on here? What the hell is going on here? We're in trouble. There's a traffic jam. Come on! Let's go! Look at my mom's big station wagon. Yeah! I love that. I love my mom's station wagon. I love that.
I know, right? Mine too. Somebody
I
with
love
orange.
that. I knew that. Oh, that's nice.
My mom's station wagon.
What? It's my mom's station wagon. No, very nice, sir. He looks mad. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. Love it. There it is right there. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's very nice.
Look at this, so. Look at the red one over here. Yeah. That's it. Nice.
Wow.
Wow, yeah. Yep.
Oh, no. Look at this one.
Wow.
That was a very nice paint job.
Jeez. You want to trade?
I might. You don't want this piece of junk. What are you talking about, Dave?
We got to get rid of it somehow.
Let's get rid of it right now. It's easy top. It's easy top. No, I'm talking about the car. I'm talking about the car.
Oh!
Dude, you guys are terrible. More than hell.
Don't go too low, but then we won't be able to go back up. La lonchera!
You know how to tacos.
Tacos! Tacos! Woo!
the Mexicans in the car show.
Mariachi and stuff.
Look at that truck right there.
Oh, yeah.
My God. I love your truck. That's nice. Look at that thing.
Big window.
That's the one that you could have had that one.
I know.
Oh.
What? You could have had that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Why didn't you let him have it? Why didn't you let him have that truck?
It was before me. It was
Oh, okay,
way
before you.
me.
I'm just checking. Checking.
Yeah, whatever he wants.
Check.
Liars.
Look at that. I like that right there. Look at that right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hit the hydros.
Hey! Go Raiders!
Go Raiders!
That's hilarious.
Choo! Oh man, look at that thing.
That's fast. How much? How much?
Let's trade.
59? That's it? I need to let it go. Come on! Keep it!
Yep.
Divorce her!
Divorce her. That's why he needs to let it go, because he divorced her.
That's right.
Where's your car?
What's up, man? How you doing? Oh, shit.
What a beautiful stay. That's nice. That's Hollywood. Beautiful. See the wife's in there?
See the wife's in there?
Oh, we gotta
I am on board.
brake setup.
Oh, yeah.
We'll come back. We need brakes.
We need brakes. We don't have any brakes.
Look at that street car. Look at that street car.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I bought this car in Fallbrook.
What? Beach.
Bought it in Fallbrook, and it was some guy's garage for years. And it was like, I bought it and garbage cans by the house.
See, I like that color, however, your mom. That's on her. Yeah. I mean, that would be good for yours.
We're in the wrong area.
Oh, we're in it. Yeah.
Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Let's see if we can go under it.
Yeah.
We love it, man. That's beautiful. Wow. I love that, man. Beautiful color, man.
Nice color.
That's badass. That's badass.
That's what you have at the house.
Babe, get one of those.
that's badass,
yeah,
too.
I have one.
Damn,
Ooh,
that's sick.
Chevy.
Wow. What the hell are they?
I need a new car, babe. Should have worn my sports bra.
Did you get that on video?
That's still fun.
That's badass right there, though.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's a beautiful truck. That's
Beautiful.
what color is that? The brandy wine candy.
Brandy one can.
Very nice, very nice. Is that, are you guys related?
Oh,
Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is.
keeping it clean.
If I had a car like this, I'd paint my nails to match.
Real Latina.
So she's giving me the okay to get the car.
That's right, man.
Get the car. There it is.
Mascara también.
There it is. We heard it. We even got our picture
Outlining the
video.
lips.
Yeah, outline on the lips. Scraping? Yeah. Is it a tailpipe or is it something else?
Right.
Where's your car at?
In the back.
Just having fun.
Look at so damn. Not a fan of
What's up with that color? Everyone likes that color.
It's
huh?
like a
That
hospital
pastel,
green.
yeah.
Right? Isn't it? Hospital green. Or like,
Yeah!
Hey, I changed the carburetor one last year.
They want you to hit the switches. They want you to hit the switches.
50.
Only hit the hydraulics.
Gotta love old white people.
I know, right? Ooh, look at that car.
We're like cheerleaders back here. Hit the hydraulics, yeah!
You know the old white guys are like, oh, I hate that shit. Why do they let those guys in here?
So like a big piece of junk like that.
David saw, I was like, why'd you buy that?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Oh, yeah. No, because he went from a 63 that was all done up, like all super clean, all original. And then he bought this thing. This thing was all like in boxes and shit.
How much? How much?
Even trade, even trade. Even trade and a 6-pack. The suspension doesn't work. Yeah, the shock goes. Road is bumpy.
What's up?
Oh, it has the electric engine in it. Yeah. Oh, you got your gimbal in it. You got your lights on?
Hey, I know you. I know you. I know you.
Big sexy, look at that.
I love that. Love that.
He wants to drink. He really wants to drink.
My son would kill me. Dad, what you doing?
He's so fun.
This is how you hit switches, Majestics. This is how you hit switches. Just like that. Bird, that's how you hit switches, Bird. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Oh,
Come on, man.
Okay, I
that wheel.